In this video, I will show you how to redeem a Spotify gift card. Redeeming a gift card is easy and quick. If you have received a Spotify gift card, you can use it to get premium access to music and podcasts. This means you can listen without ads and download songs for offline listening. First things first, open up any web browser you prefer. Next, tap on the URL bar. Here, type in spotify.com/redeem and hit go. Next, it's time to log into your Spotify account. After logging in successfully, you will see a text box waiting for your premium code. Now take your Spotify gift card and locate the PIN number on the back. Enter this premium code directly into the text box. Alternatively, if you've bought a digital gift card or received one via email, simply copy that premium code from your receipt. Before moving forward, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA verification. Once you've entered your code and completed CAPTCHA verification, tap the Continue button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.